Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to add car modes in Bus Simulator Indonesia. To do this, first tap on modes. Now tap on download modes vehicles. Now select the car which one you want to download. I want to select this car. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now tap on download. And now tap on it to download. Now go back to your game. Now tap on import. Tap on device gallery. Now select the file which one you have downloaded. Tap on it. Click on free. Now tap on to garage. Now change your car. Now tap on use. Okay, now go back to your game. By doing this process, you can safely add car modes in Bus Simulator Indonesia. Thank you.